The very word diversification, which is taught in every business school, is the holy golden grail, I consider almost asinine. I'm only interested in investing where I have some sort of advantage. And of course, that means I can't do the conventional things. And if I have the advantage in 3 different things, that's enough for any family. 3 wonderful things with the odds in your favor. I mean, do you want egg in your beer in life? And so I think the idea you have to have a big diversified portfolio, that's fine for the ignorant people to be fully diversified. But if you actually know what you're doing, I think 3 investments are plenty. And the Mungers, if you take Berkshire and Costco and Lulu's Asian Fund, that's 90% of the money.